Chris, what is that? So cool gumball machine. Can I have one gumball?
Yeah, sure.
It's blue. So yummy. Thank you, Chris.
Purple. Oh no! No!
Oh no, Chris, I'm so sorry. Don't worry, I'll fix it, okay? Chris, I'm gonna tape and I'll fix it. Almost done. Oh, I'm so sorry.
What are you gonna do, Uncle?
No worries, I know what to do.
Uncle will fix it.
Hi, I wanna order a gumball machine. Perfect! Yes! Yay! Gumball machine! Do you like it?
Yeah!
Such a good gumball machine! Let's go! So heavy and so big! Let's unpack it!
Yeah!
Let's check it out!
Yeah! Orange gumball! Yummy!
Now it's my turn to try a gumball! Wow, so many colors! I'm gonna take yellow!
I'm gonna take pink.
Okay, Chris, I'm gonna play some baseball!
Okay.
Uh-oh!
Oh no, again?
I know what to do, don't be sad! Let's build the coolest gumball machine!
Yeah!
Here we go, Chris! Oh, cool! It's a clear balloon!
Wow! Can I shake it?
Yes, of course! It's ready! Yahoo! Yay! Now it's my turn!
Okay!
It's pink! So do you like our new gumball machine?
Giant gumball machine.
For giant things, we need some magic.
Yeah!
Right there!
Yeah!
Let's do some magic!
Yeah!
1, 2, 3! So big! Look at this! So many balloons inside, Chris! This gumball machine needs special coins!
Yay! Thank you, Uncle!
Wow! It's blue!
Yeah! What is just a balloon?
Do you want to try?
Yeah!
Let's go!
It's so cool! I like it! Go away! Oh no! Please broke my toys. Don't worry, I have a new one. This is for you. Come and play. Yay, I like it. I want new toy. Wow. Cool. Hey guys, I
Trampoline! Trampolines are a lot of fun, but remember kids, you need to be safe. So let's check your height. Yeah, this way. Next is Chris. Go this way. We are done.
So fun! Come on, let's go! Oh, yeah, why not? Guys, let's go to another room. Yeah, let's go. Wait for me. Can you do this? It was so much fun. There's another one. Let's try it out. Okay, let's do it. Guys, it's coming! Mommy gonna hear us!
Guys, it's pizza time! Follow me! First, we need wash your hands.
Pizza! 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 Tasty! I love it!
Is it tasty?
Yummy! Where's Chris? Wait, was Niki at the house? Guys, come on here! Guys, I have the biggest one ever! Let's go! What are you doing in my house? What did you do in our house? I want to play with friends.
It's always a good idea to spend time with your friends. Fine.
It's a cool car. What? Wow! Wow, so cool car. Let's draw a big car. Yeah! You forgot your pencil. Yeah! Let's color. Here. Thank you. Circle. Yeah. Here. I think we're finished. Yeah! Wow! Wow, this is a real car. Mark, let me out of here. Help me. Okay. Chris, I'm finished. I'm coming. Chris. Oh, hi, Chris. I dropped the soccer ball. Wow, so cool ball. I'm gonna draw the uniform. Oh, uniform! Ready! Let's go! Wow!
Boys, time for lunch.
Let's go!
Lunch for champions.
Broccoli, no. Let's do it. Tomato cheese. Don't forget the ketchup. Oh, so yummy! Oh, I like it so much. I'm gonna try donuts. Yay! Wow, donut! Yummy. I like this magic. Let's draw something else. Yeah. Let's draw the airplane. Yes. Okay, right here. Ready. Yeah. See, I like it. Michael, wait, where's our pencil? I don't know, we should check it. Where's our pencil?
Oops, sorry guys. There's only a small piece left.
Oh no!
Maybe you want a toy house?
Toy house? Okay. But it should be beautiful.
I'm done.
Yay! Wow! No, stop! Cool! Wow! Yeah! Chris, let's play together! Yes! Thank you, Chris. You're welcome.
And don't forget to share with your friends.
Yeah! Hey, it's mine! Go away! Let's go!
Don't run in here! Why did you do this? Oh my kids!
To sleep. 1 minute. Okay. Huh? Where are you? I'm in the game. What should I do? Mommy! Chris? Huh? Mommy?
What are you doing there?
Mommy, help!
No worries, I'll help you.
I'm here! Help me! Huh?
I told you, don't play so much.
Sorry, Mommy.
Hurry up, Chris, the battery is low. We need to find exit.
Oh, exit! Floor is lava?
Oh no! What should we do?
We need rocks! Aha! That's what we need! Mommy, let's do it!
Chris! Okay, Chris! We found number 4.
4.
Come on, let's do it! Oh, no! I saw it next room. Come on! Wow! Please, look!
You should pop all the balloons.
I know what to do. Left, right.
Left, right!
Mommy, let's go.
Please, almost ready!
Final one. Mommy, I found the number.
This way! Come here! This is exit!
Mommy, let's break it.
Of course, Chris! What? Why I'm jumping?
It's fun.
Stop! We need to find the exit!
Exit. We need to solve the puzzle. S U P E R. Mommy, super.
Good job, Chris! It's Chris!
Maybe he wants apple.
Flowers don't like apples!
Oh, oh. I'm ready. Mommy, look, number.
Number 3.
Wow, this is bricks. Let's break them.
Of course, Chris, come on! And 1, 2, 3, go!
Softly, service.
Chris, come on! What's going on, Chris?
Yeah, I like it.
I found exit! We need to stop this train!
What do I do, Mommy?
These windows hold letters.
Let's find the letters. A. There's a T letter.
Oh. Hurry up, Chris!
Letter R.
Good job, Chris! Oh. And letter!
Letter I. T. R. A.
Good job, Chris!
N.
Number 8!
you shouldn't play video games too much. Better read books. Okay. Once upon a time.
Inhale. Slowly exhale. Yes. Let's check your temperature. Nicole, you should stay in a hospital.
Okay.
Get well soon, Nicole.
Hello, Nicole. Hello, Chris. I'm in the hospital. Can you bring me some candy or sweet? Candy? Okay. Let's go. Yay! Hello.
Oh, hi, Chris. What can I help you?
I would like to visit Nicole.
But what is this in your hand?
I have a toy and cake.
It's great, Chris, but sweets not allowed.
Okay.
I like cakes.
Chris! But where's candy, Chris? Sorry, Nicole. Sweet is not allowed. But I don't want a bear. I want sweets.
Oh,
Hello.
oh, Chris, hello again.
Teddy bear again. Surprise, surprise. Check it out. Candy. Thank you, Chris. You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Nicole, sweets not allowed. This is bad for your health. No, Nicole.
Hello, Uncle. You like the sweet? My sweets got taken away. Oh no! Can you bring me some more candy? Okay, Uncle. I'll figure out something. Okay. Oh, idea! Book. Hello, excuse me.
Oh, hello, Chris.
Hello. I have flowers and a book for Nicole.
The book. Very interesting. Let's read some book. Chris, sweets not allowed.
Nicole, I have flowers for you. Flowers? I want sweets, not flowers. Nicole, look. Chocolate? Try, Nicole. Thank you.
Kids,
My tummy hurts.
oh no, kids, let's check your body. A lot of sweets. It's not healthy. Now you should stay in the hospital too.
Oh no! Now I'm in a hospital too.
You ate a lot of sweets. Now you need to check your temperature. Now we have to wait 5 minutes, and I'll be back.
Mike. Yummy. Hi, Chris. It's not good for you to eat a lot of sweets. Oh, it's healthy to eat a lot of sweets? Okay. She didn't understand me. Oh, my stomach. Guys, what's going on?
I told you kids, you shouldn't eat a lot of sweets.
Oops.